Hi, I'm Matt. We're going to do some really simple cooking that you can do with young people or you can do as adults. We've got some really simple ingredients, all really cheap and easy to get hold of. Really good for teaching young people some basic backwards cooking skills and some basic chopping, cutting and basic hygiene. So we've got oranges and eggs, chocolate cake mix in oranges. We're going to do some pizzas. We've got the classic banana and chocolate. Absolute staple of any backwards cooking. Cheap tin foil. And then we're going to make a stew with beef, or it could just be vegetarian stew. So we've got some mushrooms, some leeks, some onions and potatoes. Dead simple. I'll have that bubbling away and we'll have that for our tea. So you've got your risk assessment signed off. You're ready to go outdoors with young people. You might be somewhere where you don't usually scout. You might be at Bradley Woody open campsite. This is a really handy tip. We've got just a really cheap little toolbox. It's got everything you need for your patrol cooking, all your cutlery, knives in there, all your spatulas and things. Then we've got a really simple box with basic bowls, cups, chopping boards in, so really cheap stuff you can get to get your young people outdoors, and obviously your tin foil. Most of what we're going to do in these recipes will be based on tin foil. You don't need pans or anything, so it's dead easy, dead cheap to do.